The Kleuete 19-pound fire glass beads in deep cobalt blue instantly upgrade a fire pit with a rich, jewel-like look that feels far more upscale than standard lava rock. These 1/2-inch tempered glass pieces handle sustained high heat without cracking or fading, so the color and clarity stay beautiful season after season. In use, the glass reflects and amplifies the flames, creating noticeably stronger warmth and a lively, dancing light that makes cool evenings much more inviting. Because the beads are made from recycled, fire-safe glass that does not smoke or produce residue, they keep both propane and natural gas setups cleaner and more pleasant to sit around. The smooth, rounded pieces pour easily into fire bowls, tabletop burners, or indoor fireplaces, and they can also double as striking filler in planters, aquariums, or around garden features. Cleaning is straightforward since the glass does not hold soot or ash the way porous stones do, so a quick rinse restores the glossy, sparkling finish.